We received a check from a customer that covers multiple customers that we have in QuickBooks. How do we record that payment if it applies to invoices for more than one customer? I got that. So what I'm hearing is, like many successful entrepreneurs in the $1 to $10 million space, your customer is like you. Your customer has more than one company and maybe wrote a check from one company that really covers more than one customer account. Got that? And I'm delighted that you, question asker and fellow entrepreneur, are concerned about making sure that every customer's account reflects their appropriate balance. So there are two techniques to doing this. One is you can record a single check, apply it to a single account. So the advantage of this is that if you ever do a find for that check or that check number, that check dollar amount, it'll come up in your QuickBooks system easily. And then you can do any tracing from there if you want to get the whole story later on about what you did with that check. Of course, then you'll have a credit on the customer accounts and the other account. So after you take that single journal entries and all right, I'm going to put on my accounting lingo here. We were talking journal entries. You're going to debit AR and credit some kind of a pass-through account, like a clearing account that you're only going to have open for 15 seconds. Debit AR, credit that account, make another journal entry, debit that account, and credit AR for the correct customer. And when I say AR, I mean accounts receivable. And that's what you do journal entry by journal entry for every other customer who's been covered by that one check. And I'd be happy to have a screen share and log into your machine and show you exactly how to do it. We can even record a video for you so you can have this for posterity, should it ever come up again. So feel free to contact me privately if you'd like me to do that anytime. The other technique is, rather than record one check and multiple journal entries, you can simply record multiple checks with the same check number, each with their own appropriate amounts. The advantage is no journal entries. So there are fewer entries, just one check for every customer account. The disadvantage is it ignores the reality that a check was paid in a certain amount. And so you'll never be able to do a find for that check. You're going to have to look for the check number, or you're going to have to look up the accounts receivable history for a given customer.